Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Today's lesson related to class 9th unit number 3 exercise 3.4. Actually this is our second lesson on exercise 3.4. Here we have to apply all the four laws of logarithm. Question number 1, statement says use log tables to find the value of. We have selected part number 8. Question is 438 whole power 3 multiply by inside the root 0.056 whole divided by 388 whole power 4. We start our solution as we let the given thing is equal to y. You may assume y is equal to given, you may assume x is equal to given, any letter you can utilize. Then the next step is taking log on both sides. We have log of left hand side is equal to log of right hand side. That is, you have to simply write the word log towards the left hand side as well as towards the right hand side. Next, left hand side remains same. On the right hand side, at the place of numerator there is product, so you will apply first law of logarithm, whereas the fraction is also involved, so second law of logarithm will also be applied in the next step. So you can write the right hand side as log of 438 whole power 3 plus log 0.056 inside the root minus log 388 whole power 4. Next, this first frame, this is showing the third law of logarithm that says log m power n is equal to n log m. That is, this 3 will become in the start in the next step. So we have log y is equal to 3 log 438, and as you know that symbol of square root means the power is 1 over 2. So using the same third law, 1 over 2 comes first. It becomes 1 over 2 log 0.056 minus likewise the same third law being applied here again, and 4 log 338 term number 3 becomes. In the next step we put point of reference. 438 comprises of 3 digits, so from the left first most non-zero digit, that is number 4, we put a point of reference. It is not containing decimal point, but you are clear that 438 is a whole number, means that point is available after 8, that is invisible in our picture in this case. So distance between point of reference and decimal point is 2, and the value is much greater than 1, so this 2 will be positive. So 2 will be by characteristic in log 438. Likewise, in the value 0.056, the first non-zero digit from the left is 5. We put a point of reference over here. I told you both the manners. Looking at the value, it is less than 1. So in this case, your characteristic will be negative. Distance between decimal point and point of reference again 2. So 2 power, that is minus 2, will be the characteristic in this case. Next, for the third value, log of 388, it is somewhat same like the first one, that is, it is a whole number. Point is here in the end. Point of reference comes after first left hand side first most non-zero digit, that is after 3. So between now you have 2 digits, so plus 2 will be the characteristic in this case. Hope it is clear. And the second option in your mind, value is greater than 1, so characteristic is positive. Next thing is that we will check from the table the values of log, all these three one by one. The first one is log of 438. Viewers, as you all know, up till now you have utilized the log table, how to use the log table. So we will combine the first two digits, we will make 43, and in front of 8 below 8 we will see what is the value. I have written over here. First I wrote the characteristic, which is 2. Now I show you how it comes 0.6415. You have to focus on 43 and below 8. Let's see how it comes. See, this is the log table and the first page of log table. Before using the log table, be very careful and read here whether written log table or written anti-log table. So here is written table of logarithm. See, it is starting from number 10. And here there are 10 columns starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and then the next 3, as already explained, these 3 are called difference columns, whereas each contains 3 values inside one column. Our value was 438, so we come here at 43 in the first most left column. Then we need to see below number 8. This is the manner, viewers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see here the number 6415, that is a point value, and that is my mantissa in this case, and you can see clearly it is written here 0.6415. As already explained, 2 was my characteristic. Moving to this place, -2, that is written as 2 bar, is my characteristic. Now if you look at these 4 digits, that is 0056, 00 will go meaningless. 5 and 6 you will combine and your number, your value will become 56. That means there is no third digit available, but you can put a point after 6 and you can assume that like 56.0 is the value. If you are to ignore these, then you have to look into the table of log in front of 56 and below 0. That is on the next page of table of logarithm. You can see here in front of 56 and below 0 is the first most, that is, you can see here 7482. As no fourth digit involved, so we are not to go over here in this case. Hope it is clear. So you can see here 0.7482 is taken from the table, that is in front of 56 and below 0. Likewise here is again +2 is my characteristic. Now I have to see the value in front of 38 and below 8. Again I need to go to the log table and want to see the value, that is at page number 1. Go to 38. Here is 38 below 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that the value is 5888, that is 0.5888. You can see here we have written 0.5888. Well clear? Thank you. Okay, now 3 will be multiplied with the value inside. Before dividing by 2, that is, it is 1 by 2, so it will be divided. You will have to split it like -2 plus this, because remember that characteristic may be positive, may be negative. In this case characteristic is negative, but the other value 0.7482, it is positive. Hope you are understanding. Here again the total value is positive, so you can easily multiply it by number 4. So in the next step, keeping the first same, because we were to simplify the middle one. So we have -2 plus 0.7482. In the next step, simplifying this, it becomes -1.2518. Whereas when we multiplied 3 with 2.6415, our answer is 7.9245. Simplification of this already done here. In the next step, this will be divided by 2, whereas multiplying 4 with 2.5888, answer becomes 10.3552. Sign minus remains same, sign minus. Moving to the next step, hope you all are understanding and finding it easier. In this case, previous first value remains same and the third value remains same. We are just making simplification here, that dividing these bracket values by 2, our answer becomes 0.6259. Now it is very easy that term number 2 and term number 3 having sign minus, whereas term number 1 having sign plus. So greater values having sign minus, that means simplification on calculator will give us as sign minus as the answer, as it is coming after this kind of calculation on calculator. that is the log y is equal to minus 3.0566. Very interesting viewers. Log of any number, it must be positive, it should not be negative. So to make it see the value here, it is minus 3 point something, so the very next number after this positive number, it is 4. So we will add plus 4 and subtract 4 from this value so as to make it positive, so that we are in position to see the table value and can complete our solution. So by adding and subtracting 4 on the right hand side, be clear viewers that this minus 4 will be written like 4 bar, that is it will be characteristic. From plus 4 subtract this value, your result in point will become positive as is done over here. This 4 bar means this is minus 4, same utilized as characteristic. From number 4, when you subtract this value, you will left 0.9434. Hope it is clear. Now you need to shift the log to the other side, it will become anti-log. So y is equal to anti-log of 4 bar 0.9434. As you already know that anti-log of some value means the value before point, its characteristic. So it is mentioned characteristic is minus 4, whereas Mantissa is 0.9434 as it is written here. I need to check it in the anti-log table, this value of Mantissa. You can see here I have already checked, but I'll show you right now that 0.9434, how it gives 8770 plus 8 is equal to 8778. So let's go to anti-log table and calculate 0.9434 from anti-log table and see what answer comes. So here you can see it is table of anti-logarithm, and here you can see the first value 0.50. Our target is 0.94, so we will check 0.94 here. Here you can see 0.94. Then the next digit in your value is 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Clearly you can see that 8770 is my value. The next digit, if you remember, was 4. So for that we have to move to the difference column. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. In the difference column, clearly it is written 8. That's why you are seeing here that 8770 plus 8 becomes 8778. Now these are the 4 digits obtained from the anti-log table. What is my next job? I have to put a point utilizing this minus 4 characteristic. I have told you already some easiest rule that whatever is your characteristic, make plus 1 in that. Minus 4 plus 1 will give you minus 3. Now in other words, in value 8778 you have to put decimal point. Minus 3 means towards your left hand side 3 digits. As you don't have any more digit, so you will apply 3 zeros and the result will become 0.00087778. Hope it is clear and you are understanding. If a few of you are having any kind of worry or problem, see, when you will apply log here, you will put a point of reference in between this first 87, that is between 8 and 7. When here at this place is my cursor will be your point of reference, you can count here between this and between decimal point. These are the 4 values and the value is less than 1, so characteristic will be minus 4. That is the proof that you put the decimal point at correct place, and same is my answer. That is, you have to write that the given question is equal to 0.00087778 as my answer. Hope you all understand. We move to the next question. We selected question number 5. It is, if v is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h, find v when pi is equal to 22 over 7, r is equal to 2.5 and h is equal to 4.2. With these given values you had to calculate the value of v. We are given v is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Our next step, taking log on both sides. Log of left hand side is equal to log of right hand side. viewers see here clearly on the right hand side, after log the first term is 1 over 3, second one is pi, third one is r square, and the next one is h. All are being multiplied. So you have to apply the first law of logarithm, that is log of m into n gives you log of m plus log n. Same you can see in the first step, log of first value plus log of second value plus log of third value plus log of fourth value, as it is extension of first law, you may say. Next step, the first log 1 over 3 remains same. Value of pi as given in the question, it is 22 over 7. Interesting thing is that it is approximate value of 22 over 7 is the approximate value of pi. You all must be clear about for your knowledge. Log r power 2 will become 2 log r using third law of logarithm. Log h will remain same. In the next step, the first two values are same. We put the value of r, that is 2.5, and we put the value of h that given in question is 4.2. Now in the first as well as second, both are of the shape of second law of logarithm. We will use log m over n is equal to log m minus log n. As you can see, it will become log 1 minus log 3 plus log 22 minus log 7 plus 2 log 2.5 plus log 4.2. Log 1, viewers, it is written 0. How? I can show you very easy and interesting that how log 1 is 0. I told you already that log table is starting from 10. There is no single digit in log table. See the first page starting off log table, it is 10. So 1 means you combine a 0 with that is 1.0, you may assume. So it will become 10 in the counting in this case of table value calculation, and the next no number is there. That means 1 can be written as 1.000. That will give you in front of 10 and below 0. Clearly you can see it is 0000. This is how you need to remember for your objectives as well, that log 1 is equal to 0. Hope it is clear. Next is log 3. As already discussed, 3 will become 30. So in this case, in front of 30 and again below 0, you can see here 4771, that is a point value. So it becomes 0.4771. Sign is minus. Why? Because it is at the place of denominator. Then log of 22, its characteristic is well clear 1, and if you see the table value in front of 22 below 0, you have to see, you can have a look if you want to see. Just now we calculated 22 in front of 0, you can see 3424, that is 1 is the characteristic of 22, so you get 1.3424, can easily see in your picture. Hope now you are clear how to see the value of from the log table. This, and then log 7, it is minus, its value become 0.8451. How? For this I want to show you 7 means 70. Here you can see 70 and below 0 is 8451. So the value becomes 0.8451 with sign minus because it was at the place of denominator using the second law of logarithm. Plus 2 remains same. 2.5 mean your characteristic is 0 in front of 25 and below 0. The value now you calculated, it is 0.3979. Likewise, log 4.2 means characteristic is 0, and you have to check in the table of log in front of 42 and below 0. You will observe the value is 0.6232. Hope you are all understanding. Now these values very simple, you are just to make them plus or minus according to their signs on the calculator, and you reach at log of v is equal to 1.4392. Now v will remain to the same side, log will be shifted to the other, it will be converted into anti-log. You have v is equal to anti-log of 1.4392. As already told, antilog of any value means the whole value is your characteristic as mentioned here, and the decimal point value 0.4392 is your mantissa. Now you will check in antilog table 0.4392 and will see what comes over there. 0.4392 in antilog table. Here it comes. We need to go, it is antilog table 0.43, and what was our value? We can confirm 0.43 and 92. So here is 0.43. For 9 mean lost value because it is starting from 0. What it comes 2748, and then it 2 below 2 is 1, so 2749 will be the total. This plus this, that is the rule. The first value plus any number, fourth digit, see it from the difference column, make it add. Here is 2748 plus 1 will become 2749, that you can see in the next step. 2749, these are the digits coming in your answer. But looking at this, you need to put a decimal point, then that your answer will be completed. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. So in these 4 digits from the left hand side, after 2 digits put a point, it will become 27.49 as it is written here. Same is my answer. Hope you all understand. Kindly provide your feedback. Thank you very much.